No, creatine does not damage your kidneys. That is a false belief. It's BS, and it is a great topic for a WTF Wednesday video, which is what this is. Welcome to SHAPEFIXER. I'm Andrew. I'm a nutritionist and I'm a sportsman, so I have experience with creatine. But importantly, people who take creatine either as a sports supplement or as a supplement because it helps slow down sarcopenia or muscle loss with age, and it improves brain function as you get older because it acts on your nervous system and on the energy supply process that goes on in your cells, and your brain uses a lot of energy. Creatine is something that is produced naturally in your body, in your kidneys and in your liver. It's also something that occurs naturally in a lot of food, especially animal foods like fish and red meat and eggs. And it's a really, really useful supplement. It is a perfectly harmless supplement. It does not damage your kidneys. Now, I have a friend who has been taking a creatine supplement. He's probably maybe about 70 now. And he recently had a blood test, and his doctor got into a panic because his creatinine, not creatine, his creatinine levels were high. Now, creatinine is a compound that is formed by the metabolism of creatine. So as your creatine gets used in your energy system in your cell, the end product, the leftover, is something called creatinine, which goes into your bloodstream and is then filtered out through your kidneys and goes out through your pee. Okay, it's the waste product from the breakdown of creatine. Creatinine levels, when you are just on a basic diet and you're not taking a supplement and you're getting an average amount of exercise, your creatinine levels are pretty stable, because as you use creatine that your body makes or that you get in your food, as you use it, you keep producing some creatinine and your kidneys filter it out. If you have a problem with your kidneys, if your kidneys are damaged and they're not working properly, they might not be filtering out all the things that they're supposed to be filtering out very well, and one of those things can be creatinine. So a high creatinine level in a blood test under normal circumstances could be a red flag that there's something wrong with your kidney. And then you investigate further and you do more kidney tests to see if there is a problem. If you are taking a creatine supplement, then your creatinine level is going to go up because you've got more creatine, you're using it more, you're burning more energy, your brain is working better, your muscles are working better. You've got more creatinine in your blood. It's fine. Your kidney is on it. So taking creatine and then showing an elevated level of creatinine in your blood test does not automatically mean that there's something wrong with your kidneys. But it's a weird thing. It's a weird association that a lot of people have a mental block with. Oh, taking creatine damages your kidneys because your creatinine levels are high. Therefore, your kidneys are damaged. No, your kidneys are not damaged. Okay, I've done a video on creatine which explains this a bit more, and I'm going to link it at the end of this video. But I just wanted to draw attention to this false belief for my WTF Wednesday video. What the F are people talking about? Why are we worried about it? Don't worry about it. If you are going to worry about it, or your doctor's going to worry, or your doctor's going to make you worry, have further kidney tests. Go right ahead and get a proper kidney function test to just reassure yourself that there's nothing wrong with your kidneys. Now, I'm linking a study. Please go underneath this video. There's a link to a research paper that explains this. And so you don't just have to take my word for it. Go and read the medical review, the paper that I've linked down below here that explains exactly why more creatine does its job. It increases your creatinine levels in your blood. It's called serum creatinine. Serum just means in your blood. And it's not anything to worry about. And it does not mean that your kidneys are damaged. Okay, there is no evidence whatsoever that taking a creatine supplement damages your kidneys in any way whatsoever. So, WTF is that all about? Don't worry about a thing.